Did you know these bizarre facts about cats will leave you speechless? 1. Cats don't just purr when they're happy, they also purr when they're scared or in pain as a way of self soothing. 2. Some cats have two different colored eyes, a condition called heterochromia, which is more common in white cats due to genetic factors. 3. Cats use grooming not just for cleanliness, but also as a bonding ritual to show affection. 4. They scratch surfaces to mark their territory because they have scent glands in their paws that release pheromones. 5. Lastly, cats yawn as a way to communicate contentment or to calm themselves. Stay tuned for more surprising cat facts, and don't forget to like and subscribe.